Hello kids. Now let's look after our next science experiment. The name of this experiment is drinking candle. In this experiment, we will see how the candle will drink all the water present. But before we start our experiment, let's see what all materials we require. We require one candle, one bowl water, any color, one plate, matchbox and one glass. Let's start performing our experiment. The name of this experiment is drinking candle. अब आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि कैंडल कैसे ड्रिंक कर सकती है, तो वही हम इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में सीखेंगे. But before we start our experiment, let's see what all things we require. We need a glass, one candle. I have taken this candle. You can take any candle. One matchbox, one big plate, one bowl of water and any color. See, I have already mixed the color in my water. What you can do is you can take any color. I have mixed the red color. So what are we going to do here is we will see how the candle will drink the water. Okay. First of all, we'll take the plate and we'll pour the water into the plate. आप इस एक्सपेरिमेंट को करते हुए ज़रा ध्यान दीजिएगा और पेरेंट्स की हेल्प के साथ ही इस एक्सपेरिमेंट को कीजिएगा. See, I have poured the water into the plate. Now let's take our candle and place in the center of the plate. Now what we are going to do is we are going to light the candle. I'm again saying you please perform this activity under the supervision of your parents. You're not supposed to perform it all alone. Now I'm going to light the candle. See, I have lighted the candle. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my glass and I'm going to put this glass over the candle. Why I'm going to do this? You'll see next how the candle will drink all the water. Now you're going to see this कि ये candle सारा पानी कैसे पी जाता है. अब आप ये देखेंगे. What I'm going to do is I'm taking the glass and I'm putting it on the candle. What are you going to see here is after some time the candle will blow off and it will start, the water level is start raising and you will see the candle start floating on the water. Can you see that? Can you see our candle is floating and our water level has raised? Interesting now? Do you know why this happened? Because burning candle uses the oxygen which is present in glass. जो बर्निंग कैंडल था उसने ग्लास के अंदर जो ऑक्सीजन था उसको यूज किया और उसकी वजह से लो प्रेशर क्रिएट हुआ जिसकी वजह से हमारा वाटर का लेवल बढ़ गया. है ना इंटरेस्टिंग? In the experiment, I have already explained you the reason. I am going to explain you again. The burning candle uses the oxygen which is present in the glass and that creates a low pressure which help the water to raise its level. Burning candle ने ऑक्सीजन को यूज़ किया जो ऑलरेडी ग्लास में प्रेजेंट था जिसकी वजह से लो प्रेशर क्रिएट हुआ और इस वजह से वाटर का लेवल बढ़ गया. आई होप now you have understood this experiment and the reason behind it. Kindly perform this activity with the help of your parents and enjoy performing it. Thank you. All the best.